Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. In this video, we will be going over course reserves. Don't have one of your textbooks? Is it because you couldn't afford it? Did you order one and it won't arrive before classes start? Did something happen to your copy, like it was destroyed or stolen? Or do you simply want to get some work done here on campus but forgot your copy? In situations like these, course reserves are here to help. Course reserves are books for classes that professors can send to the library for students to use. These are usually copies of the textbook or other material such as literature or workbooks. They are kept at the information desk and usually can't leave the library. Not every professor will have items on course reserve, but many do. If you are unsure, you can always check our catalog, OneView.
You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX.
Once there, simply click on the OneView banner. On the next screen, click Course Reserves, located directly underneath the VU logo. From here, you can search by the title of the item or by the name of the course. All of the courses are also listed below the search bar and can be sorted by all, active, or inactive. The system defaults to active, so if you can't find your course, make sure to switch it to all. Each class will list the course number and name, how many items they have on reserve, and the name of the professor. If you click on the course name, you will see a list of the items for that class that are on reserve, as well as their availability. The location information for all reserve items includes how long it can be checked out for: 4 hours, 7 hours, overnight, and 7 days. 4 and 7 hour reserves can't leave the library, but you can take the overnight and 7-day checkouts home. After that, you can go to the information desk at the library and ask to check out the item. To help us find the book, tell us the title and either the professor or the class name. If you want to learn more about Shake Library and the services we offer, you can watch some of our other videos, like how to use OneView and searching databases, which are located on our YouTube page, The Shake Library. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.